Okay, hello Cuxton, and we're going to make a start on this week's celebration assembly. We've got an awful lot to get through today. It's an action-packed one because I've got to announce winners of various different competitions that have taken place over the last few weeks, and then we've also got the normal celebration assembly certificates, the 100 reads, and so on. So let's make a start. So we're going to do the certificates first. So we're going to start in early years, as we always do, and a big well done to Bodhi for improved attitude towards learning. Well done, Bodhi. Well done to Amelia May for fantastic progress in reading. Congratulations, Amelia. A certificate here for Charlie for super recognition of sounds and working hard with his reading and writing. Fantastic, Charlie. And well done to Ruben. Fantastic enthusiasm for all learning. Keep it up, Ruben. Let's give the early years children a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, off to year one now. So we have a certificate here for Gabrielle for showing the community value by picking up all the coats and bags. Lovely to hear, Gabrielle. A certificate here for Mark for showing the community value by tidying up after others. Oh, Mark, you're my kind of person. Keep it up. Well done to Jessie J for aspiring to try her best when using the computers to draw a dinosaur. So meeting our aspire value, Jessie. And we have a certificate here for Luke for also aspiring to do his best when learning about dinosaur habitats. Well done, Luke. Let's give year one a huge round of applause. Okay, off to year two now. We have a certificate here for Dexter for excellent map work skills in geography. Well done, Dexter. A huge congratulations to Jessica for confident use of Keynote on the iPad. Let's let Birch class in. Well done, Jessica. And we've got a certificate here for Poppy for showing enjoyment and creativity in Forest School. And I know how much the children are loving going back to Forest School. And a huge well done to Oliver for aspiring to try new things and take on new challenges. Congratulations, Oliver. Keep it up. Let's give year two a round of applause. Well done, year two. Okay, off to year three, and we have a certificate here for Darcy for a fabulous first week at Cuxton. And it's been an absolute pleasure having some new children join our school recently, and Darcy's one of them. And well done to Roman for fantastic tactics in PE, showing the enjoy value. Well done, Roman. We have a certificate here for, let's give year three a big round of applause. So I was hoping for the other class, but I can't find them at the moment. Well done to Johnny in year four for his incredible efforts in contributing during lessons. Keep it up, Johnny. And well done to Holly for aspiring to do her best in all lessons. I know how proud of you Miss Sawney is. Well done, Holly. Well done to Alyssa for aspiring to do her best learning about fractions. Well done, Alyssa. And a certificate here for Connor for always showing kindness and helping his community, demonstrating the community value. Well done, Connor. Let's give you four a huge round of applause. Well done, year four. Okay, off to year five now. So we have a certificate here for Rosie for showing determination with her work. So resilience, keep it up, Rosie. Well done to Zach for showing the community value and tidying his classroom without being asked. Keep it up, Zach. A certificate here for Jack for his fantastic effort and belief in himself when comparing fractions. So demonstrating the believe value. Well done, Jack. And we have a certificate here for Lily Rose for her maturity during science lessons. Well done, Lily. Let's give you five a huge round of applause. Okay, off to year six. So we have a certificate here for Marcy for fantastic use of description when introducing. I'd love to read what you've written, Marcy. Well done to the whole of Willow class for outstanding maturity when discussing hidden disabilities. It sounds like Willow class were incredibly mature, so well done. And White Bean class, we have a certificate for you for showing the value of respect during a lesson about hidden differences. And I have to say, I'm so impressed with Year 6 this year. They're incredibly mature and understanding of other children. So well done, White Bean. And we have a certificate here for Olivia for amazing progress in maths. Well done, Olivia. Okay, now let's give Year 6 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 6. Okay, we have our general certificates now. And we need to do a drum roll first of all for the tidiest classroom in the infant school, which goes to drum roll and stop. Pine class. Well done, Pine class. I know Mrs. Martineau was so impressed with you. So keep it up. And the tidiest classroom in the junior school goes to, for the second week in a row, drum roll and stop. Magnolia. And when I spoke to Mrs. Humphreys on Friday, she said it had to be Magnolia again. Although they had it in the previous week, they've kept up the hard work and their classroom is spotless. So well done, Magnolia. I think the other classrooms in Key Stage 2 have some work to do. So the attendance awards this week. So last week we had 5 classes who achieved 100% attendance. That was amazing. Now this week we haven't got any classes at 100%, but we do have 3 classes across our whole school who are at 99.3%, which is still pretty phenomenal. So the best attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, with 99.3%, Ash class. Well done, Ash class. And the best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, and stop, Cherry and Maple class, also with 99.3%. Phenomenal attendance, Cuxton. Let's keep it up. Very, very impressive. Now, should we go on to the Golden Book now? We've got so many names to read out this week. It's been a wonderful week at Cuxton, and I've been really impressed with the variety of children who have been in the Golden Book for so many different reasons, for all different subjects as well, which is lovely to see. So well done to Charlie in Year 4 for his hilarious journal all about celebrity spotting. I know it made me and Mrs. Sale smile. Well done to Fraser in Year 6 for being incredibly helpful and demonstrating the community value. Tammy in Year 5 for working independently and showing great understanding of fractions. Ellie May in Year 5 for a massive improvement in her handwriting, and also for her writing about Lucy. To Summer for her brilliant descriptive writing in Year 5. To Tammy again in Year 5, having such a good week, for her amazing descriptive writing about a character. To Stanley in Year 5 for his outstanding improvement in his handwriting. Year 5, having a good week. To Tommy in Year 4 for superb effort with his writing this week. Keep it up. Paige D in Year 4 used amazing vocabulary to describe her road trip across America. To Charlie, Nicholas and Callie in Year 6 for superb posters all about hidden differences that people may have. So then we've got a variety of children here who are the STEM ambassadors. So you know who you are. So we've got Tom, Joe, Ryan, Amelia, Grace, Wande, Johan and Bella for being amazing STEM ambassadors and representing the school so well. And I know how proud Mrs. Carmen was of you all. So well done, STEM ambassadors. Well done to James in Year 4 for being super kind and helping another child tidy up the lunch they dropped. That's really sweet of you, James. We've got Seb and Paige in Year 1 for fantastic riddles about dinosaurs. Great fun to guess. And we've got Maya in Year 5 for showing the community value for helping tidy. And Mrs. Martineau said to me this morning, please can we put Maya in the Golden Book? She's been such a help. And well done to Buddy, Jaden and Fraser in Year 6 for their brilliant understanding of function machines in maths. Wow, children, so many names to read out in the Golden Book this week. You should be really, really proud of yourself. Keep it up. Okay, I've had 5 children come and see me since last week's celebration assembly to tell me that they've read 100 books. And my 100 reads tree is really, really coming along. So I have to show you a photo. I'll have to put it on the newsletter or something so you can see. So we have Iris in Year 4, who's going to be joining the tree. We have Isabella R in Year 4, who's going to be having her name up. We have Millie in Year 5. Well done, Millie. We have Lola in Year 5. And finally, we have Rosie in Year 5. So well done, all those children whose names are going to be added to my 100 home reads tree. So doing really, really well, Cuxton. It's perfect timing as well because it's nearly spring. Well, I think spring has sprung today. And it would be lovely if I could have even more leaves on my tree over the next few weeks. Okay, we've got some other certificates here. So we have got a bronze certificate for Cyril's for Jess G. So well done, Jess. And then I've got some other things that I need to announce today because we've had so many competitions going on over the last few weeks and we haven't yet announced the winners. So before I announce the winners, children, I want to introduce a new competition that's going to be starting tomorrow. Now, I know how much you all love Times Table Rockstars and you love competing against your friends and you love competing against the other class, other year groups and so on. Well, this week we're going to try something different. We're going to try something new and we're going to have a boys versus girls competition at Cuxton. So tomorrow, Miss Hodder is going to start the competition. It's going to run for 1 whole week. And I wonder who's going to win, the boys or the girls? Who's going to get the most points this week on Times Table Rockstars? And it would be lovely to announce the winner in an assembly next week so you can all hear who it is, boys or girls. I wonder. Let's wait and see. So the other competition that only finished yesterday was Make Cuxton Laugh. And can I just say, Cuxton, a massive well done for the huge amount of money that was raised for Comic Relief or Red Nose Day on Friday. So in total, £362 was raised by our Cuxton community. And I know some parents donated directly to Comic Relief, which is absolutely fine. And I saw lots of photos of you wearing items of red on Friday. I've seen some jokes posted by Magnolia class, which is fantastic. But over the weekend, I couldn't stop giggling because many of you participated in the Facebook competition to Make Cuxton Laugh. And you wrote jokes on the Facebook page. And the joke that achieved the most amount of Facebook likes was the winner. And it was online for about 48 hours, maybe a little bit more. So lots and lots of children participated. And the winning joke was as follows, and it made me laugh hysterically. Knock, knock. Who's there? Skull. Skull who? It's cold outside. Let me in. And the winner was Violet in Year 2. So let's give Violet a huge round of applause. Well done, Violet. I think it had a total of 36 likes on Facebook. So a big, big well done. And you have got a prize up in my office, Violet. So when convenient at some point, please do pop up. You've got a lovely art set to take home. So well done, Violet. Okay, now Christmas seems like ages ago. But before Christmas, we had an Advent competition. And what we had to do was us as teachers and teaching assistants and so on, produce something for our Facebook page every day behind each number. So number 1, we might have sung a song, we might have given a clue and so on. And each day there was a clue that linked to a letter. And then what you had to do is spell out the message all the way across December for each day. And I've now got the winners of the Advent competition in front of me. So the runners-up were James S in Holly class and Jess G in Maple class. And again, you've got your prizes down in my office, some arts and crafts and so on. And the winner, who was first place in the Advent competition, was Leon in Year 6. And you have got a voucher and a small Easter egg down in my office. So let's give the Advent winners a huge round of applause. Well done. Now, we also had last time, we've been so busy, we also had last time the writing week. And writing week was such a phenomenal success. I know how many of you enjoyed writing your own stories of what was behind the door. And Mr. Brett had the really tough decision of choosing a winner from each class. And then he chose an overall winner from each phase. The winner from each class has got a certificate, but you've also got a lovely notebook that you can come and collect from me at some point. And the overall winners have an Amazon voucher, so well done. And I'm going to go through each class, and this time I'm going to start with Year 6 and work down. So the winner in White Bean class was Charlie B. Well done, Charlie. In Willow class, it was Akemba. In Olive class, it was Jenny J. In Chestnut class, it was Maya. Having a good day, Maya. In Holly class, it was Darcy. In Maple class, it was Ethan. In Cherry class, it was Isabel B. In Magnolia class, it was Charlotte P. In Birch class, it was Jamie H. In Beech class, it was Nancy S. In Pine class, it was Chloe B. In Elm class, it was Skylar B. In Oak class, it was Sebastian R. And in Ash class, it was Demi. So well done. So let's give those children a huge round of applause, first of all, for winning their class competitions. And these are about to be the overall phase winners for the Writing Week competition. So the Upper Key Stage 2 phase, which is Year 5 and 6, Mr. Brett was incredibly impressed with Maddie's writing. Well done, Maddie. So you were the overall winner in Year 5 and 6 for the writing competition. And in Lower Key Stage 2, so Year 3 and Year 4, the winner was Lucy C. Well done, Lucy. Phenomenal writing, Lucy. The winner in Key Stage 1 was Isla B. Well done, Isla. And let's give all those children a huge round of applause. Well done, children. Really, really impressed with your quality of the writing. So well done. And finally, we have a certificate here. So Mr. Brett asked the teachers to submit a piece of writing. And what he did was he watched some of the videos which helped you with your writing at home. And he was particularly impressed with this particular teacher and their story writing and the videos that they produced to help you write at home. So let's give Mrs. Houghton a huge round of applause for winning the teacher competition for the Writing Week. Well done, Mrs. Houghton. Okay, children, last week I asked you to think of something that you were particularly proud of, okay? And already I've seen lots of children around school in the last week telling me the different things that they're doing incredibly well, so keep it up, okay? And I know over the last week you've been doing some little assessments to see how well you've done over the closure and over the lockdown and so on. And can I just say how proud I am of all of you. You've come back so well, and some of you are working incredibly hard on your learning, so keep it up. And I've seen phenomenal progress from some of you from when you left us at Christmas and when you came back last week. So clearly the hard work at home paid off. So well done. Have the most wonderful week, Cuxton. That really was an action-packed celebration assembly, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you see me around school, please do say hello and tell me what's going well for you, because I'd love to hear all about it. So speak to you soon. Bye.